Is this a book? Yes, this is a book. Is this a chair? Yes, this is a chair. Is this a table? Yes, this is a table. Is this a door? Yes, this is a door. Is this a window? Yes, this is a window. Is this a cell phone? Yes, this is a cell phone. Is this a tablet? Yes, this is a tablet. Is this a laptop? Yes, this is a laptop. Is this a floor? Yes, this is a floor. Is this a ceiling? Yes, this is a ceiling. Is this a cell phone or a tablet? This is a cell phone. Is this a tablet or a laptop? This is a laptop. Is this a floor or a ceiling? This is a floor. Is this a chair or a table? This is a chair. Is this a door or a window? This is a door. Is this a book or a tablet? This is a tablet. Is this a door or a laptop? This is a door. Is this a window or a chair? This is a chair. What is this? This is a book. What is that? That is a door. What is this? This is a chair. What is that? That is a window. Is that a window or a door? That is a door. Is this a book or a cell phone? This is a cell phone. Is this a cell phone or a laptop? This is a laptop. What is this? This is a tablet. What is that? That is a table. Is this a book? Yes, this is a book. Is that a book? No, that is not a book. That is a door. Is that a window? No, that is not a window. That is a floor. Is that a floor? No, that is not a floor. That is a wall. Is this a wall? No, this is not a wall. This is a ceiling. Is that a laptop? No, that is not a laptop. That is a cell phone. What is this? This is a floor. What is that? That is a ceiling. Is that a ceiling or a window? That is a window. Is this a wall or a laptop? This is a wall. Is the table on the ceiling? No, the table is not on the ceiling. The table is on the floor. Is the chair on the window? No, the chair is not on the window. The chair is on the floor. Is the laptop on the wall? No, the laptop is not on the wall. The laptop is on the table. Is the table on the floor or in the floor? The table is on the floor. Is the cell phone on the table or in the table? The cell phone is on the table. Is the picture on the wall? Yes, the picture is on the wall. Is the picture on the floor? No, the picture is not on the floor. The picture is on the wall. What is on the wall? The picture is on the wall. What is on the floor? The table is on the floor. Is that a laptop or a ceiling? That is a ceiling. The words a and n have the same meaning. We use them both with non-specific things. The difference being that we put a before nouns that begin with a consonant sound. A picture, a car, a truck, a ball. And we put n before nouns that begin with a vowel sound. An apple, an honor, an ape, an hour. Where, where. A ceiling light, a ceiling light. An outlet, an outlet. Where, where. A ceiling light, a ceiling light. An outlet, an outlet. Is this a ceiling? No, this is not a ceiling. This is a door. What is this? This is a ceiling light. Is that a ceiling light? No, that is not a ceiling light. That is a window. Is that a window? No, that is not a window. That is a ceiling light. Is the ceiling light on the ceiling or on the floor? The ceiling light is on the ceiling. Where is the ceiling light? The ceiling light is on the ceiling. Is the table on the floor or in the floor? The table is on the floor. Where is the table? The table is on the floor. Is the outlet in the window or in the wall? The outlet is in the wall. Is the outlet in the wall or on the wall? The outlet is in the wall. Where is the outlet? The outlet is in the wall. What is on the wall? The picture is on the wall. What is on the table? The laptop is on the table. Where is the outlet? The outlet is in the wall. Where is the ceiling light? The ceiling light is on the ceiling.